this is Angela Murad at Amazing Kids. Just a quick peek at the SayIt text-based AAC app. The newest update now allows use of the iOS keyboard. You know I'm a fan of this because it allows keyboard extension apps like these. That's SwiftKey, and I use that one personally quite a bit, find it more pleasing on the eyes. Key to go. Actually, let me show you some other color options even within it. Colorful, standard, neutral, strawberry, purple rain, and marine. Izzy board, which is free, totally customizable. You can make those colors be just about anything that you want, group the keys, etc. Calcu is a keyboard extension calculator. Super keys, so that pops up and allows larger key access. And an example of one of many high contrast keyboards specifically for visual impairments. And this is also customizable for different colors. Very cool.